Hi guys, I'm Talha from Technical Office. In this video, I will show you how to get paid by sharing your data. It's not using your mobile data, it's use the data that you use in YouTube and Facebook and other networks. So come on, install that app and earn money. So first I have one request, so please subscribe the channel, like the video and share the video with your friends. So come on to your Chrome browser. It's not coming in my Play Store. So come on to our Chrome browser and download one of these Honeygain APK. Honeygain APK. And there's a lot of apps are there. Honeygain. That's the apps. After installing, this page will coming. So in this page you will have to continue to agree. I agree to terms of use. After that, this page will coming and you have to select one of these. You have to skip introduction or how Honeygain works. I have how Honeygain works and you can skip this as well. So after that, this page is coming and click on that sign up button, and after that this page is coming. Sign up and create a password and select your Gmail. So that's the field details these, and after that page will coming, and after that have to click on start. So that's now after that this page will come. So that's started. So after that this page will coming, your earning will be started, and that's your earning right now. You can see here 0.03 dollars. So you have to wait for your payout. I have to and another videos I will show you a live payment proof as well. So come download this app and start working. So that's all for this video. Like the video, share the video with your friends, and please subscribe the channel. Bye.